Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Fun with Bobby. If you're new here, you're so very welcome. Thank you for clicking and watching my video. Guess where I'm at, guys? Today I'm taking you to the Marsabit National Park. Yeah, so come with me.
Low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden.
Wow, this lake, it's so beautiful. I mean, you just need to come and see this, guys.
I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved.
Wow, just look at that. I'm speechless. This is the most beautiful place in Marsabit, and I think in Kenya. It's just so beautiful. You need to come and see this. This one I couldn't go down because there are some animals. Let me show you. These are some buffaloes. You can see them there. Was told on a lucky day you can see some elephants too, but I guess I was not lucky this day. But it was just beautiful. Then you can just drive. It's just peaceful and relaxing. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you've not subscribed yet, hit that button and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Like, share and comment. I love you all so much. Mwah.